Yo, yo, yo. What is up, everybody? It is Eating Bacon here, and today I have a little surprise. First thing first, I'm going to show you my offense, which y'all saw in the last video. And also, I'm going to show you my defense, which is not that good at all, and my special team. So, yeah. But the special surprise is I am going to replace my running back position and my wide receiver. As you can see, it is going to be better than Calvin Johnson. It's going to be the same overall, I believe. Yeah, it is. As Jerry Rice and Victor Cruz. It's going to be a 91 overall wide receiver. But the surprise is I am getting rid of Jerry Rice. It's been a while since the Super Bowl thing, and I'm just gonna get rid of him. So, what we are going to do is I will show you the replacement of Jerry Rice right now. The replacement will be Dante Moncrief. Yes, Dante Moncrief. And if we compare them, Dante is not as good as Jerry Rice, but that is okay. And the second is we're changing, and we are putting Doug Martin, and we are switching them out. Doug Martin is going to switch out with Eddie Lacy, and we are going to replace Marshawn Lynch with Eddie Lacy. I hope y'all enjoyed that switch. It was in the last video I had around 41,000K. But I in a 10 trophy pack I got up to 64K, and I bought Doug Martin and Dante Moncrief. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put Jerry Rice up for, let's say, I know I'm overpricing him, but we're gonna put him at 25K, and his starting bid is 20K. Oh shit. I didn't think. Oh my god, I'm a retard. I guess I can't sell Jerry Rice. Well, bye. And I'm gonna put up Marshawn Lynch. Let's definitely take that down. Let's put that at 15K. I got this Marshawn Lynch with his rings pack. So yeah, and I'm gonna put my defensive tackle at, let's do 4,000. I hope y'all enjoyed it, my switch. First things first, let's do a little bit of gameplay. So, let's go to season, and I will do a little bit of the fourth quarter. Hopefully it doesn't take long. Alright, here we go. First thing, we're going to run with Doug Martin, just to see how he goes. Alright, Doug. Oh gosh, this game is laggy. This game is laggy. Oh, crap. Doug Martin just got popped. Well, now it's time to Now it's time to test out. That's not a good route. We'll just see how it goes. Dante Moncrief. No, he is definitely not open. We'll just drop it off to Doug. Let's go, Doug. Let's go, Doug. First down. Attaboy, Doug. Attaboy, Doug. Alright, so let's see if we can do this again. Dante Moncrief, where are you? Dante. Alright, so he was doing the cross route. Dante Moncrief. Oh, okay then. I did not see that one coming. That's what I thought. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna hopefully connect with Dante Moncrief. Man, this game is so laggy. Dante Moncrief. Great with reception. I don't know why I'm just slurring my words right now. This is crazy. I don't want to know Neil. I'm gonna get some points on the board. I'm gonna run with Eddie Lacy, my new fullback. Alright, we got some yardage. I'm gonna do another run with Doug Martin. And I'll just score. Oh! Man, Doug just got laid. Well, let's just run with Michael Roethlisberger. It's not Michael Roethlisberger. I'm just saying that because of Michael Vick. Yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Ben Roethlisberger. That's his name. Ben Roethlisberger. But, I hope y'all enjoyed that, that move, the two moves that I made. It's, I did have to get a lot of money, to get those players, but I hope y'all enjoy that, Did I just forfeit? No, okay. I hope y'all enjoy that, snippet of, recording. Thanks so much. Hope y'all have a great day.